Does your family love granola bars and you like the quick grab and go snacks, but not the junk and the sugar that's inside of all the processed granola bars that are out there? This video is for you. So hello and welcome. My name is Alicia Jones. I love the Lord, love my family, and love to help women grow in confidence through a healthy lifestyle. And a lot of that comes down to some simple swaps you can make in the kitchen, like what you see in these pictures, to make a gut healthy, nutritious recipe that's quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started. The whole recipe is below this video. You saw the ingredients. Go ahead and preheat your oven and put some parchment paper in a 9x13 pan. Then you're going to puree up those carrots and put them in your stand mixer, or even a regular bowl is totally fine if you don't have a stand mixer. And you'll see here, just add the ingredients in one by one. It honestly doesn't even have to go in this order, except for the coconut oil, which I do recommend you put in at the end. These oats right here are super good for your gut. Here is the coconut oil that you see. I did melt it in the microwave for a couple seconds. And then you'll have this really nice, almost like a chocolate chip cookie texture. Go ahead and put that mixture in your 9x13 pan and just pat it flat like you see here in the video. Basically, then you can pop it in your oven and it's going to cook beautifully, about 10 minutes or so at 350. And yes, please adjust for altitude. Okay, so then the trick is how you cut it. Wanted to show you my quick little process. Cut it in half again, and then you can put it in thirds, which gives you 12 bars per 9x13 pan. Now, what you didn't see until right this second is that I actually was doubling this recipe as we went. So it's really easy if you want to do that too. Then what you get is these really nice sized granola bars that can easily freeze, defrost, get put into lunch bags, the sports bags, all those things that you can just grab and go, and easy to eat at work also if you work at home, or send them to work with yourself too. All right. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more. See you soon.